Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a backorder in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to fulfill customer orders but don't have enough stock on hand, allowing you to automatically generate purchase orders to restock those items. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once the page loads, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with your inventory management system. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and click on Sales Orders. This will open up the Sales Orders module where you can view all your existing orders and create new ones. Now, to create a new sales order, click the plus new button located at the top of the page. This action opens a form where you can begin building your order. In this form, select the customer who is placing the order from your customer list. Once selected, add the items they're ordering to the sales order. Make sure you input the correct quantities for each item. After filling in all the necessary details, save the sales order as a draft. This allows you to review everything before finalizing it. Next, mark the sales order as confirmed. This step is crucial because it's what triggers Zoho Inventory to check your stock levels against the order requirements. If any items in the sales order are out of stock, you'll immediately see a banner appear at the top of the page alerting you that backordering is required for those specific items. Here's where the backorder process begins. Click the Backorder Now button that appears in the banner, or alternatively, you can select More and then choose Backorder from the drop-down menu. Either option will take you to the backorder creation screen. On this screen, you'll see the items that are out of stock listed on the right side. Select the items you want to backorder and specify their respective backorder quantities. Once you've confirmed your selections, click on Backorder to proceed. You'll now be directed to a new purchase order screen, and this is where Zoho Inventory really streamlines the process. The system automatically pre-fills the item table with the backordered items and quantities, and it even suggests the vendor based on your previous purchase history or item settings. Review this information thoroughly to ensure everything is accurate. The items, quantities, and vendor details all need to be correct before proceeding. Finally, once you're satisfied with the purchase order, click Save and Send. This action creates the purchase order and sends it to your vendor, ensuring that you'll restock the items needed to fulfill your customer's order, and that's it. You've successfully created a backorder in Zoho Inventory, transforming an out-of-stock situation into an automated restocking process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.